Hey folks, welcome back to Budget Bushcraft. My name is BK. I'd like to first apologize for the crappy lighting in here in my sewing area. Normally I have a little bit more ambient light, but it's storming out right now, and that's why we're doing this inside. Today I would like to share with you my take on a hammock Ridgeline organizer, which I've seen dozens of videos of people making them themselves. Typically they're doing it out of like a ripstop material or a mesh material or a bungeed mesh material. I'm gonna guess, based on some of my research, they're spending at least $12 to $15, if not $20, on that material. I'm going to show you how to make one out of a Walmart bandana for 97 cents. I don't know how rugged they're going to be, but for 97 cents, who gives a crap? So if you go to the Walmart craft area, you will find several different types of these bandanas. Let's go take a look at how I make a Ridgeline hammock organizer. If you have a tent like my Van Gogh Banshee 200, there are a couple of loops at the head end and the foot end that you can actually put a Ridgeline in. This works great. Alright, let's start by folding this in half. And then we are going to fold this up to about half an inch from that fold, so that we can get the Ridgeline running through here. I would say at this point, I would probably pin it. You don't have to, but I would pin this to here, maybe pin it in the middle, and maybe one more on the other end, or actually I would actually pin it on the other end. Let's flip it over and do it on the other side. Let's start with the edges of the pockets. I'm going to back stitch a little bit. Take the pin out. Go forward again a little bit. And I think for a little bit of the stability of it, we're going to go all the way back. Alright, at this point we have a double stitched end cap, and on the other end as well. So let's just see if we can do a pocket here, 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 maybe a short one here for glasses, a pocket knife, I don't know, a notebook or something on this end. So here's our 97-cent bandana Ridgeline organizer. Comes in pretty handy if you're actually laying in the tent. Knife, your cell phone, your charger, wallet. And on the other side, maybe a pocket knife, your glasses, and put a longer one in here for you want to put a bottle of water in there. It actually does work out pretty great, and for 97 cents you can't beat it. Thanks for coming along and watching me make a Ridgeline organizer for a tent or a hammock. In my situation, I typically would be using it in a hammock, but I do appreciate you watching the video, and if you liked it, like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, support the little guys, because we're really just all trying to share a wealth of knowledge and help everyone out and possibly save money. So like I've always said, get out and enjoy this, and just don't spend a lot of money. Thanks, folks.